A story you will only see here on Western Mass News. A Ludlow man tested positive for COVID-19 after being fully vaccinated and visiting Provincetown, where health officials have detected a cluster of coronavirus cases. Western Mass News reporter Amanda Callahan has that exclusive story.
And things just kept getting worse and worse. So when I got home, I got tested and I just tested positive.
Michael Genero is a 59-year-old Ludlow resident. He is part of the 63% of people in the state who are fully vaccinated against COVID-19.
I had my vaccination, both the flu and COVID, around March. And I went on vacation July 9th through the 19th in Provincetown.
Genero is also among the hundreds who recently tested positive for the virus after visiting a popular Cape Cod tourist destination. The Massachusetts Department of Public Health has been tracking a recent uptick in COVID-19 cases within Provincetown. As of Friday, the town reported 185 COVID cases with a positivity rate of just over 12%. This comes as the Delta variant was detected in the cluster of cases, prompting an indoor mask mandate for all those coming to the town, whether they are vaccinated or not. Genero tells Western Mass News he was visiting Provincetown last week when he began to feel sick halfway through his vacation.
First, something was fatigue. First, trying to get out of bed, it was difficult. Next thing you know, I'm in bed for 30 hours. We attempted to go out after that for the night, and we went into town. I came right back. I was that sick.
Medical expert Desiree Otenti with Blue Cross Blue Shield of Massachusetts tells Western Mass News Genero was likely exposed to the highly contagious Delta variant.
And because the Delta variant is so contagious and people are getting exposed to it in closer areas now because nightclubs are open and so the circulation isn't there. So that viral load in that building is escalating.
With an increase in the number of breakthrough cases in the state, many are wondering if the vaccine isn't doing its job. Western Mass News asking Otenti if this is true.
If you're going into battle and you have a shield that protects 85% of your body, would you put that down and say no because it's not protecting 100%? No, this is our protection from the virus. Even if you get exposed to it and if you get it, it's so much better to be protected from the hospitalizations and the death, instead of just saying, okay, I'm going to take my chances, and then you're at 100% risk. Wouldn't you rather have something rather than nothing?
And Genero agrees, saying if he did not get vaccinated, he believes his symptoms would be much worse.
I am so grateful, because even in my head, even though I got the vaccine, I never thought I'd get it. I guess I was wrong. I'm glad I didn't take those chances.
As for whether other communities here in the state will put mask mandates back in place or other restrictions, Otenti says it's too soon to tell. But she wants everyone to remember whether you're vaccinated or not, to be careful who you expose yourself to, and to limit time indoors in crowded spaces. In studio, Amanda Callahan, Western Mass News.